Hey everyone, so I just got the Lullaby Moon subscription box from Simply Gilded today in the mail. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm so excited to dig in and see what it's all about. So I took the mystery item out and I will show that at the end of the video. And this is how it came packaged. The washi tape is in its own little bag along with the journaling card, it looks like. And this is the pouch for the month. It's a really pretty blue. And the rest of the items came inside of it, and it has a beautiful owl pattern with some little music notes and moons. Very, very pretty. Happy about that. And here's the pin for the month. A pretty gradient, some purple to pink, almost like a grayish purple, with moons and little stars and the little bow on the lid. And next up, it came with some washi and some confetti. You can make a shaker. I can make one and I will post it on my YouTube. Comes with hearts, moons, and little stars. And this is the washi tape that comes along with it. I don't know if the washi tape or maybe the pin rubbed off on my fingers like some silver. It was kind of weird. I tried figuring out what it was, but I didn't see it again. So anyways, this has little music notes and moons, and it's a clear background. That's going to be really fun. And here is the bow for this month. It has a little music note and a little moon like rhinestone. You kind of have to play with it to get it to sit straight or see how it works better. I really like the bows in the kits. They're one of my favorite items. So I'm just clipping it on to see what it looks like when it's sitting on there. Very pretty. It's a pink velvet. Looks nice with the blue. And this is like the menu card. Tells you what it comes with. And this month it has two papers. It has a vellum and an acetate. And this is what you can make a shaker from. Or you can add it, to anything else you'd like, make a memory dex card or whatever. So this paper matches the inside of the pouch and has little foiled moons and music notes. And this is acetate. It has moons, stars, and music notes as well. It's very pretty. You can do it like that and then use washi tape and then fill it with the confetti. And this is the notebook, or the B6 insert. There we go. I love the moon on the front. And here are the stickers. These are the heart-shaped date dots, or the date covers. Here's some icons. They're all shaped as hearts. It's kind of hard to see. Here's a little sampler. And then the moon seals, they have the different colors. I don't know if it's rose gold, gold and silver, or just gold and silver. I'm never good with those colors. And then the main stickers, they're really, really pretty. On the letters, you can see like the little ivy leaves on there. They're really, really cool. Has like a little leaf on there. Kind of hard to see, but it's so super cute. Like owls everywhere, the music notes, and the moons. I love the sticker that says over the moon. And now time for the journal card and the washi. These colors this month are some of my favorite. They're beautiful together. And this is the 5mm washi add-on. You have to add this to your subscription separately. It comes with 4 little 5mm tapes that matches everything. Here are the pretty washi tapes for this month. I did not open them this time because I'm sure there's tons of pictures. I think I'm getting my kit late, or my subscription box. I keep saying kit. But anyways, I'll have pictures up on my Instagram. I will link it down below. It's Mommy.Plan.Craft. And now I'm going to be showing the mystery item coming up next. So if you don't want to see it, I will see you later. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and comment, and have a great day. But if you do want to see the mystery item, it is coming up next, and I have to say I am super bummed out about it. I don't really use the pins in the subscription box very much, and then the jelly rolls I just don't use because I hate my handwriting and I'm just fast to write things down. So here it is. It's a jelly roll pin. So hopefully there will be some new mystery items that we all love, but I'm bummed out. Let me know what you think. Bye!